Hi, I'm Mark Yegi. Today we're exploring the powerful differences between scarcity and abundance mindsets and how shifting your thinking can help you build financial independence and passive income.
If you've been thinking seriously about financial independence and building passive income, you're in the right place. Today we're unpacking a powerful idea that can change the way you approach money: the difference between scarcity and abundance mindset. A scarcity mindset is when you believe there's never enough, not enough money, time, or opportunities. It often leads to fear, hesitation, and missed chances. You might say things like, "I can't afford that," or "it's too late to get ahead." An abundance mindset, on the other hand, is about recognizing possibilities. It doesn't ignore reality, but it focuses on growth and opportunity. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" you start asking, "How can I make this work?" Here's the key difference. Scarcity clings to the familiar. Abundance seeks growth. Scarcity says, "I'm behind." Abundance says, "It's never too late." Scarcity fears risk. Abundance manages and embraces it. Whether you're preparing for the future, building new income streams, or simply wanting more options in life, shifting your mindset is the first step. So, how do you make that shift? 3 simple ways. Change your language. Replace "I can't" with "How can I?" Keep learning. Explore new opportunities. Real estate, dividend stocks, or online businesses. Take consistent action. Even small steps build momentum over time. Remember, abundance isn't about luck. It's about combining mindset with steady action. Building multiple income streams takes time, but it's possible, and it can open doors to more freedom and choice. If you'd like tools, strategies, and a supportive community to guide you, visit cashflowmachine.net. You'll find resources designed to help people just like you take practical steps toward building financial confidence and creating new income opportunities. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to start building the future you want. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial professional before making investment decisions.
Visit cashflowmachine.io to get started on your journey to financial freedom, and remember to subscribe for more tips and strategies.